right. Hi, everybody. I hope my internet is going to work for this. So the last time I went live, it kind of kept pausing, but I'm super excited. I'm going to show you guys my all-time favorite hairstyle to do when I'm on vacation because it's so easy. It looks so cute. Every time I wear my hair like this, I get people asking how I did it, and it's so easy. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my most favorite beach vacation, or really any vacation hairstyle. So hi, hello, welcome to this live. If you guys are new around here, drop in the comments where you're tuning in from. I would love to hear where you guys are watching from, what you're up to today. It's about 4:30 here in Mexico, so we're getting ready to go down for some dinner, and we're gonna take some pictures on the beach. It's gonna be great. So that's what we're doing. Hi, Carrie. Thanks for joining me live. Amber, hi from Ohio. That's awesome. You guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hi there from Pennsylvania. I love the pumpkin. That's amazing. It does not feel like October here in Mexico, I can tell you that. It's been, 90s, 80s. This is my friend Erin. You can see saying hi. We're here with some good friends of ours. They invited us to come with us, and it has been so much fun. The kids have had such a blast. This is their first time out of the country and first real vacation. So it's been so fun to see how they've just had such a blast. Hi from South Dakota. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Northeast England. Oh my gosh, it's almost midnight there. That's crazy. That's amazing. Amber, I am in Cabo. We are in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. It's so pretty here. They're actually expecting a hurricane. And so we're getting out of town just in time before that hits. And so it's been kind of cloudy today, but still really hot, really hot. Yes, it's so beautiful here. Maybe after I'm done doing my hair, I can show you guys the view, because the waves are crazy big today because the storm is coming in, so all the waves are huge. We were down at the beach earlier this morning, and the lifeguard was like, you guys need to get back away because the waves were just coming all the way up. It was intense. So okay, so this hairstyle, you guys, that I'm doing today, it's called bubble braids. So there's probably a good chance a lot of you guys have already seen what this hairstyle is. I do mine a little bit differently though, because I like it to sit a certain way. I like it to look a little bit messier, a little more effortless, and I don't want them to be super tight. So there's a couple things that I do differently to kind of give it more of a fun look. This, I have to show you guys. Isn't this cute? This is my little travel hair tie case. So this, I actually have these hair ties linked on my Amazon store under hair tools, but it came with this little teeny tiny case, and how cute is it? So all my little elastics, they stay right here, and it's the perfect amount of hair ties that I need. So for this hairstyle, you'll probably want 10 little bands. I do love these bands because they're thicker and they're nice and stretchy, and I have not found that they break very easily. I know trying to find elastics, sometimes a lot of the elastics, they break all the time. The only time I have trouble with it is right at the very bottom. I'll usually double up on elastics because my hair is so thick that it's too much for the hair ties. So all right, here we go, you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of part my hair off in the middle. I like it, again, to be really effortless, so I don't usually do a full-on nice, perfectly straight part. Again, because we're going for messy, we're going for effortless. So I'm gonna part it down here, and we're just gonna tie this side off like this. This is also a great second day hairstyle. I did just shower, so you can see what the humidity does to my hair. But this is a great second day, third day hairstyle. If you're trying to stretch out those in between washes, this is a great hairstyle for that. So I actually grab a pretty big section right here in the front, and that's my first section. And then I go in with my hair tie. I'm gonna tie it up. I'm not gonna tie it right at the base of my hair. I'm actually gonna tie it further up, because when I go to tighten it, this is what's gonna give it more of that lived in, like, messy look. So then I'm gonna grab the hair like this. I'm not gonna do one of these and tighten it. I grab like just a little bit of hair and I kind of work this back side to side like this, and it kind of gives it just this messy like look here, where it's not like super tight on the hair. It's just kind of loose and effortless. And if you get kind of like weird bubbles or anything, which I'm not seeing so far, maybe that one, but overall messy, effortless is kind of what we're going for here. Okay, then I'm just gonna grab some more hair up in her, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna grab more hair. I'm gonna tie it kind of up, not right at the base of my head, and I wrap it about 3 times. And then same thing, I kind of like shimmy it side to side to get it tight, and look how it starts to create that bubble in there. All right, super cute, super easy. And I'm starting to go off to the side with my hair. So I don't like it. You can wear it to where these bubbles go like straight back like this. I like to wear them to where they go kind of straight off to the side like that. So let's grab some more hair. And do the same thing again. I'm gonna kind of tie it off of my hair. That one, we're just gonna do 2 on that one. And then you slide it side to side and kind of shimmy it. Okay. What's going on, guys? Is someone crying?
No.
What's going on?
Gracie.
Hey, Grace, can you go outside for a second for me, honey?
No.
Okay, Mommy is doing a live right now, so I need you guys to behave, okay? Gracie, if you're gonna cry, honey, go outside or go in your room. Okay, hey guys. Landon, Mommy is on a live right now, okay? Can you please be respectful? Okay, all right. Sorry, guys. Okay, next section. I think we're gonna do about 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Gracie girl. Come on, honey. Go back to the room, babe.
No, the boys are being mean to me.
Okay. Okay, I'll be right there in a second. Okay, sorry guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, and now we're on our 4th one here. So again, I'm kind of tying it off away from my head, and then I shimmy it side to side like this, and that helps create the bubbles and kind of keeps it tighter to my head. And then you can go back and kind of push these up like this. But like I said, I like them to be off to the side so that when you see it from the front, you can see the bubbles in there. Okay, you could even grab a brush to kind of smooth it out. And then this is the part where I probably will actually do 2 hair ties, so that way it doesn't break. We're gonna shimmy it, and then you just kind of create a bubble like this. Hey, Daddy's not in the room right now. He went down to get a drink.
But I don't want me to have a... I don't want me to play Mario.
Okay, I'll help you in just a second, okay?
No.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be a second, because look. Mama's live. Do you see that?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. All right, buddy. I'll help you when I'm done, okay?
Why is this TV coming
Okay, so that's kind of where you can either stop or you can keep going. If you kept going, I could probably do like 2 more bubbles like this, but I'm gonna stop right there and give it kind of just like pigtails, or you could kind of make it like a messy bun. Down here at the bottom would even be cute. I might actually even do that. We'll see how I'm feeling once I get done with the other side. So, all right, let's quick do the other side because I'm slowly losing these kids one by one. So other side, again, I tie it kind of up higher. I don't tie it right at the base of my head. And then you kind of just shimmy that down and tighten it at the same time so that it just creates kind of these loose, not super tight, effortless look up here. And then the second time, he's giving me a thumbs up on the other side of the camera. These stinking kiddos. I tell you what, they've all been swimming all day long, and they're just so tired. So tired. Okay, next section. All right, tie it off. We'll probably do 3 times on this section. Shimmy, and you kind of want to keep it to the side and then see how it kind of creates that bubble. If you can't get your hair to create a bubble like that as you're tightening it, you can also put these all in and then go back and you can pull out the hair to create kind of that bubble. I just like to do it as I go because that's what's gonna give you more of that just effortless kind of thrown together look that we're going for. I don't like things to be like super uniform because life isn't perfect and your hair can't be either sometimes, you know? All right, next section. I'm just gonna wrap twice on that one because my hair is starting to get thicker. Same thing, pull the bubbles out. You can kind of start to see it's creating that bubble. Woo, this shirt is low. I got this on Amazon last minute. Super cute, but it's super low. Lower than what I'm used to. Okay, next section. Tighten, tighten, tighten. And then if I want the bubble to be bigger, just go back and kind of, you can pull those hairs out to create more of that bubble. Can't wait to rewatch this. You can't get it down for your daughter. Oh, this will be a good one then. It's all about just the more effortless and messy, I think, the better. That's what makes it look cute. So, do you guys ever have this? This is hard to see because it's like dark back here. Should have probably found like a light background. When you get your hairs and it's kind of like loose here at the bottom and you can't ever get it tight, all you do is look back like this and it'll get it closer to your neck. And I'm actually going to, this is the very last one, so I'm gonna double tie it because like I said, my hair's thick. And so I double tie it down there so that it the elastic doesn't break. Last night at dinner, I did this hairstyle and the elastic for sure broke. I got home, I'm like, oh, I lost the bottom elastic. So there you have it, okay? It would probably, now that my hair is darker, it'd probably benefit me to get like the brown elastics so that you can't necessarily see these. But bubble on this side, bubbles on this side, and then I go back to loosen it even more. And I kind of pull these hairs out like this. I'll pull these hairs out at the top. Just again to give it, these are like all my baby hairs falling out, but I think it's cute because it gives it kind of an effortless look. And then for fun, we could, you guys, you gotta tell me if my shirt's getting too low. But for fun, we could go back and do just like a messy bun here at the bottom to kind of finish it off. Like that's pretty cute. Do it on this side. So all I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair tie through. I kind of like try and rough the hair up before bringing that hair tie back over. And then we could probably do it actually one more time. And it just gives it kind of like messy little buns. So, messy buns. Let me turn around so you guys can kind of see it from the back. There you go. Not perfect, but cute, right? So that's it. That is my like super simple on vacation. It's humid outside, so curling your hair is like totally pointless to do, right? This is one of my go-to hairstyles, which I know we've probably seen variations of this, especially if you follow other hair accounts. You probably see variations of it, but sometimes it's nice to know the tips and tricks on how they get it to look effortless and not so like uniform and tight, I guess would be a good way to put it. Let me come outside and I'll show you guys in kind of like the natural light so you guys can see what it looks like. It's dark in there. I was trying to do it inside so that the sun wasn't like so bright, but it ended up being like really dark. So here we can see it in like natural light. There you go. Probably can see it a little bit better. And then here's my view. So I'm still here. It's warm. It's super stinking hot. So like I said, if you are in a state where it's humid out, it's still hot, curling your hair is pointless, this would be a really fun hairstyle to do because it's just different and it's fun and it's fun to play around with hair. So that's all I got for you guys. All right, this is gonna be up for a replay. So if you missed it and you want to kind of hear the tips and tricks, I'm gonna be posting a replay that you guys can watch later on. It's good to see you guys on here. Thank you. Nate's in vacation mode. He's so sad. We go home tomorrow and he doesn't want to leave, and neither do I. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.